Inside the shadow of Geneva, under the world's surface, lies a miracle of human creativity and a likely harbinger of destruction: the Huge Hadron Collider, LHC. This machine is an uncommon mechanical assembly for scientists, enabling them to concentrate on subatomic particles and uncover the astounding God molecule, the Higgs boson. Renowned physicist Brian Cox has made a chilling statement that has blended wonder all through the strict local area, recommending that something huge has been found at CERN with suggestions past our ongoing understanding. Before diving into the consequences of Cox's declaration, it's crucial to handle the enormous Hadron Collider, worked by CERN. The LHC is a 17-mile ring of superconducting magnets and the world's most remarkable atom smasher. It remains as a zenith of human accomplishment, fit for reproducing the states of the universe's creation. This Goliath structure permits us to open the mysteries of the universe, uncovering something huge and perhaps alarming. CERN, laid out in 1954, is one of the world's most renowned examination associations, including 23 part states and an immense scope of trained professionals. The LHC is CERN's central task. However, it is only one piece of a wide organization of gas pedals and identifiers that test the subatomic world. The LHC speeds up protons to almost the speed of light, emulating the energy of the universe right now of the enormous detonation. The subsequent crashes make temperatures a huge number of times more sizzling than the sun's center, with a complicated plan of magnets directing the protons on their excursion. In the interim, high-level cooling frameworks keep up with the magnets at temperatures colder than space. The LHC's plan is a designing wonder, working profound underground, safeguarded from inestimable radiation. The whole ring is cooled to a temperature colder than the vacuum of room, which is pivotal for the superconducting magnets to function. Collisions happen at 4 focuses along the gas pedal ring, each relating to one of the 4 primary molecule finders: Chartbook, CMS, ALICE, and LHCb. These identifiers catch the result of impacts, permitting researchers to filter through the trash looking for the slippery Higgs boson, a molecule pivotal to how we might interpret the universe's texture. The LHC isn't simply a logical instrument. It is a demonstration of human creativity and desire. It addresses our mission for information and our craving to comprehend the basic powers molding our universe. Notwithstanding, as we push the limits of our comprehension, we should likewise consider the moral and existential inquiries that emerge. What are the dangers of investigating the unexplored world? Might our journey for dominance at any point unintentionally release powers past our control? Within the blessed lobbies of CERN, where the outskirts of human comprehension are continually extended, a disclosure has arisen that has sent shudders down the spines of even the most prepared researchers. Brian Cox, a previous researcher at CERN and a regarded voice in molecular physical science, as of late said something that has enamored and frightened established researchers. The objective of CERN's Huge Hadron Collider is to reproduce a smaller than expected rendition of the enormous detonation, the occasion that brought forth our universe. Cox likewise featured the expected results of this objective, taking note of the LHC's wonderful ability to make new peculiarities, including its capacity to open the privileged insights of the Higgs boson and study dim matter, a substance that comprises a huge part of the universe. The thought of reproducing a smaller than normal enormous detonation isn't simply a hypothetical idea. It is a substantial reality inside the LHC. The circumstances inside the collider emulate those that existed at the universe's starting point, permitting researchers to observe the introduction of presence itself. Be that as it may, with such power comes incredible obligation and likely gamble. Consider the situation where something goes devastatingly wrong. In 1978, Russian physicist Anatoly Bugorsky encountered a mishap at the Organization for High-Energy Material Science in Russia, where a glitch made his head converge with a proton bar, bringing about extreme wounds. Notwithstanding this, Bugorsky made do and proceeded with his work, highlighting the colossal power and likely risks of molecule gas pedals. The dangers related with a molecule collider like the LHC are not to be trifled with. The potential for unanticipated responses and the control of the actual texture of the truth are veritable worries voiced by some in the logical community. One of the main apprehensions encompassing the LHC's trials is the chance of making small dark openings, districts of spacetime with such solid gravitational draw that not even light can escape. On the off chance that the LHC were to make such an element, even on a limited scale, it might actually develop, consuming the Earth from the inside. In any case, researchers at CERN have guaranteed the public that any dark openings made would vanish nearly immediately. Understanding how the LHC could make a dark opening includes the crucial mechanics of molecule gas pedals. At the point when protons are crushed together at almost light velocities, the energy is extreme to such an extent that it could twist the texture of spacetime itself. Envision a trampoline extended tight with a huge weight dropped onto it. The surface would twist, and in the event that the weight were sufficiently significant, it could make an opening. This relationship outlines the LHC's capability to make a gravitational peculiarity. This captivating yet unnerving chance has even grabbed the eye of unmistakable physicists like the late Stephen Selling. In his works, Selling cautioned that the Higgs boson could become shaky at exceptionally high energy levels, conceivably causing a disastrous vacuum rot, a monstrous occasion that could obliterate the universe. Renowned cosmologist Sir Martin Rees has likewise voiced worries about atom smasher tests, including those at CERN. In his book on future dangers to humankind, Rees investigated the likely risks of molecule collider tests, which incorporate the production of vacuum unsteadiness. This precariousness could hypothetically set off a stage change that would echo through spacetime, causing a fiasco of unfathomable extents. While these situations remain exceptionally theoretical, even a slight likelihood ought to provide us opportunity to stop and think. The stakes are unbelievably high, and the edge for blunder is razor-thin. The specialists at CERN have painstakingly assessed the potential dangers related with their analyses and executed various well-being conventions and safety measures to alleviate any expected risks. In any case, logical investigation innately includes a level of vulnerability, especially while wandering into strange domains. The quest for information has forever been joined by chances, yet unequivocally this ability to push limits has driven human progress. The LHC addresses the finish of many years of logical headway and worldwide joint effort. However, underneath its great outside lies a domain of significant logical request loaded up with likely risks and moral contemplations. The collider's essential objective of disentangling the secrets of molecule material science has prompted noteworthy revelations, including the tricky Higgs boson. In any case, the huge energies produced inside its limits additionally raise worries about the possibly disastrous results of such an endeavor. While broad well-being measures are set up to alleviate gambles, the chance of whole-world destroying occasions, like the making of little dark openings or other unexpected oddities, can't be completely excused. As researchers push the limits of our comprehension, it is essential that they do as such with a sharp consciousness of the possible results and a guarantee to straightforwardness and public discourse. The LHC, with its unrivaled capacities and potential for historic disclosures, remains as a demonstration of human inventiveness and the persistent quest for figuring out the key laws of the universe. Notwithstanding, underneath its remarkable outside lies a space of massive logical request, laden with possible risks and moral contemplations. The examinations directed inside the collider's huge system bridle energies and powers that are unbelievable to most lay people. The impact of subatomic particles at almost light paces makes conditions likened to those that existed in the earliest snapshots of the universe, permitting researchers to test the principal building blocks of issue and investigate the actual texture of spacetime. Yet the massive energies engaged with these crashes additionally present huge dangers, both known and obscure. One of the most squeezing concerns encompassing the activity of the enormous Hadron Collider is the likely making of moment dark openings or other fascinating peculiarities that could have unexpected results. While hypothetical computations propose that any such dark openings would be passing and represent no danger to Earth or its occupants, the possibility of accidentally releasing powers outside of our reach is regardless unsettling. Moreover, the sheer scale and intricacy of the tests directed at the collider require fastidious security conventions and severe oversight to moderate any likely dangers. The worldwide local area of researchers and specialists engaged with the collider's activity is very much in the know about the need to focus on security and guarantee that all tests are directed with extreme attention to detail and responsibility. The enormous Hadron Collider, with its uncommon capacity to dig into the texture of the truth, isn't just a wonder of current designing, yet additionally a point of convergence of contemporary physical science and cosmology. Its essential goal, to research the major particles that comprise the universe, has prompted stupendous logical progressions. In any case, it additionally urges us to defy significant moral inquiries concerning the dangers and obligations related with pushing the limits of human know.